Hi friends, I've brought a new video for you. This video is going to be on Briki. Briki has 200 micrograms of misoprostol in every tablet. The box has 10 tablets in it. It's made by Sami Pharmaceuticals. The price for the box is 139 rupees. Misoprostol is used to prevent ulcers in people who take certain arthritis or pain medications, including aspirin that can cause ulcers. It protects the stomach lining and decreases stomach acid production. Misoprostol comes as a tablet to be taken by mouth. It is usually taken 4 times a day after meals and at bedtime with food. Follow the directions on your prescription label carefully and ask your doctor or pharmacist to explain any part you do not understand. Take misoprostol exactly as directed. Do not take more or less of it, or take it more often than prescribed by your doctor. Misoprostol must be taken regularly to be effective. Women should not take their first dose until the second or third day of their menstrual period to be sure that they are not pregnant. Do not stop taking misoprostol without talking to your doctor. Misoprostol is also used sometimes to treat ulcers and to induce labor. Misoprostol is used in combination with mifepristone to end an early pregnancy. Talk to your doctor about the possible risks of using this drug for your condition. This medication may be prescribed for other uses. Ask your doctor or pharmacist for more information. Misoprostol has some side effects such as diarrhea, headache, stomach pain, upset stomach, gas, vomiting, constipation, indigestion, etc. If you experience any serious side effects such as vomiting, blood, black or tarry stools, you should consult with your doctor immediately. I hope you like the video. Please like and share our channel, subscribe to our channel. Thank you.